Cloud is powerful, but power without control is total chaos. Too many businesses move to AWS or Azure expecting magic but end up with bloated bills and underutilized resources. That's not cloud transformation, that's cloud confusion. Hi, I'm Money, content strategist at API Connect, and today in this video, I'll show you how to optimize your cloud infrastructure using AWS cloud services and Azure cloud solutions without going overboard. Here's what we'll unpack. Where do most businesses go wrong with cloud optimization? How AWS and Azure help drive smart performance? And practical no-fluff tips to reduce cost and boost value. Let's jump in.
Just because it's in the cloud doesn't mean it's optimized. Common pitfalls include over-provisioned instances just in case, unused storage volumes quietly draining money, running legacy workloads on premium services that don't need them. The result, a sky-high bill with very little performance gain. Cloud optimization is not optional, it's foundational. You can't optimize what you can't see. Thankfully, both AWS and Azure come loaded with native tools. AWS Cost Explorer and CloudWatch, Azure Cost Management and Azure Monitor. These give you deep usage insights, real-time alerts on cost spikes, dashboards that track every dollar and every workload. So, know your usage, kill the waste. That's step 1. The fastest way to cut your cloud bill? Right sizing. With AWS and Azure, you can auto-scale based on traffic patterns, use spot or reserved instances where appropriate, move to cheaper storage classes like S3, Frequent Access or Azure Cool Blob. Don't pay for horsepower when all you need is a scooter. Match your resources to your actual need, not your best guess. AWS and Azure aren't one size fits all, they have strengths. Use AWS cloud services for high performance analytics, event-driven architecture and global scale deployments. Use Azure cloud solutions for seamless hybrid cloud setups, Microsoft Stack integration like .NET, Azure AD, enterprise-grade governance and security. Smart optimization isn't about multi-cloud. It's about right cloud. Manual processes can equal to missed savings. That's where automation transforms your optimization strategy. With AWS and Azure, you can automate shutdown of idle dev test environments, use serverless tools like Lambda or Azure Functions for event-driven tasks, enforce cost policies and guardrails with AWS config or Azure policy. Set it, forget it, save consistently. Security doesn't have to slow you down or break your budget. Both platforms offer baked-in enterprise-grade protection. IAM roles and RBAC for least privilege access. Real-time threat detection and activity monitoring. Compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, ISO, and more. An optimized cloud is also a secure cloud because a breach costs more than any overused VM ever will.
Cloud optimization with AWS or Azure isn't about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. No more zombie resources, no more surprise bills. Just clean, lean, high-performance infrastructure that scales when you need and sleeps when you don't. At API Connect, we help businesses unlock true cloud value without overkill. So whether you are on AWS, Azure or both, we'll help you streamline, secure and succeed. Email us at inquiry@apiconnect.co.nz or visit apiconnect.co.nz to schedule your cloud strategy consultation. Let's build smarter starting today.